This is how to make a star bigger than the Milky Way in Universe Sandbox. So what you're going to do is pick out your star of your choice. I'm going to pick this one because it's really big. Then far away from it, you're going to want to put a Milky Way. So you're going to click on your star all the time. Take this star, go to density, and just really bring it down. Bring it down. From 0, 1. Okay, once you got that, okay, size, whatever. Okay, what you're going to do from there is click on your star, go to radius, times 10, times 10, times 10, times 10, times 10. So it's that big. And you just go on and mess with the radius. So now that you've got that, you've got your star that's bigger than the Milky Way. And now you can play with it all you want. Like what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a planet around it. I'm going to put a planet around it. I'm going to put a planet. You can just play you can play and do whatever you want with this star that is gigantic. You know, if I speed it up so much. Wait a second, what happened? My star just blew up. Okay, let's try that again. Try that again. Okay, restart. Okay. I'll do that. Kind of radius. Times 10, times 10, times 10. There we go. Now I got a huge star again. You can make it as big as you... Okay. Even though the star blew up, that is how you make a big star in the Milky Way. Bigger than the Milky Way. You know, I've thought about that. Like, this video is not going to be about that. This video is really going to be... I just got this game. And I've been, playing around with it and finding out how to play it. So now, I'm gonna do some things. I'm gonna make a solar system. So I got a star called Alpha. I'm gonna positionally lock it. Positionally lock that. There we go. Okay. I'm just gonna start putting star planets around it. Like random rocky planet. Put that there. Put another one. And then you can also do asteroids, then you can flip their orbits. Then it can extend up to the big planets like gas giants. Sometimes when we're adding gas giants, sometimes I just like to add Jupiter or Saturn or Uranus for fun. Let's do this. So now I got a solar system, and you can start adding smaller planets again. Like just little moons. Because I like just you do the moons as like little like dwarf planets. There we go. Sometimes I like to see the things, how big they are. Because how tall is the star? Something going around it. That's the biggest planet, bigger than Jupiter. These ones that are close to the star are like boiling, or like starting to boil. And those are the rocky planets. What happened? Is this tiny planet shooting off shockwaves? What the heck is happening? What just happened? What just happened? Let me zoom out. What just happened? I don't know. But I really want to know. Things are just flying out. That was confusing. I'll restart. Habitable zone. I am so dumb. Way in there for that. Look at that. Okay. Let's mess with the solar system a bit. Let's mess with the solar system. No. I'm gonna make this little rock particle. Is it positionally locked? Oh, it can't even move. Just a little rock particle. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this rock particle and make it big. I don't want it to be a particle. I don't want it to be a particle. Let's take a big star. I made the rock particle a bit too big. Stephenson 218 is the biggest star. May as well just make it even bigger. There we go. That's fun. Giant rock particle. I'm going to place down every single item. Here we go. This is every single thing you can build in the game. From biggest... From biggest to smallest. So we're going down. Got all these planets. Got these planets. Now we've got sort of around the size of Neptune and Uranus gas giants. And moving down a notch, we've got some of the rocky planets. We've already got a lot of things. We've got some of the rocky planets. Some of the big rocky planets. I accidentally placed 2 Earths. I placed 2 Earths. Perfect. That's exactly what I needed. Made a lot of things in this game. Getting even smaller. Past the 2 Earths. 3 Earths. Sorry, folks. I accidentally put 3 Earths. Well, at least it's 3 Florida mans. Something bright behind Venus. That's Venus. That is cool. Star, star, star. It's like one time I saw like a layer of clouds outside. Just like that. So cool. Okay. Moving along. Got Venus. Honestly bigger than you. No, look, there's Australia. Past Venus. Now, Venus is rather big. Venus is big. Okay, so we got 2 Marses. Perfect. Exactly what we needed. Brandon Nutelli. 2 Marses. Mercury. Cassiplu. The moon. Technical difficulties. Things are moving real slow. I'm just gonna zoom out. So we got Pluto, Eris, Micmac, Maya Sedna, Sirius, Lolacare, Vesta, Annicule, going around Veso, which is gigantic, knowing that it's actually an asteroid. I can't even see those suns anymore. Annicule. What is that thing? Is that coming out of? That's Annicule. Phobos, Deimos. And even smaller, we got these asteroids. Apophis, Apophis, sperm whale. These are actually accurate size. Like other asteroids. That's the biggest asteroid. Oh my god. Past Apophis, we got sperm whale, bowling ball. These now we're going down to like things that we can hold. You can't hold a sperm whale or this big asteroid. But you can hold a bowling ball. Because you go bowling with a bowling ball. Here's the sperm whale. I didn't know Fox is so bright. Okay, now we're down to handheld things. We've got a pigeon. Nice. I bet the smallest thing is marble. This is so big. Okay, so we're going down to handheld things. So we got, you don't hold pigeon, but you hold basketballs and soccer balls. So we got all the handheld things like got pigeon, basketball, soccer ball, teapot, bowling ball, baseball, tennis ball. Then we got our dices. Oh, that's the marble. Then the smallest thing is the 6-sided dice. Smallest thing is the 6-sided dice. And that, everyone, is everything you can build in Universe Sandbox. That is a tiny asteroid. This is a dice. Zoom, 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 zoom. Zoom out from the handhelds. Sperm whales. Asteroids. Dwarf planets. Dwarf planets. Rock planets. And then up to the gas giants. And for some reason a star. We've got the biggest object. We've got the stars. And that is everything you can build in Universe Sandbox. That is very, very fun to showcase. Thinking, that's Vesta. Vesta's huge. Then we scale even further down to Apophis. That's not Apophis. That's Apophis. This is just so crazy. What's going on? That is just... I didn't even know that. I did not even know that you could build things that are actually the size of the real things. You can build from a dice to a gap you can build from a dice to a galaxy. In this game, you can build from a dice to a galaxy. You can see that these are life-sized. So that's the handheld things. Zooming, 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 zooming out, zooming out, zooming out. And you can tell these things are life-sized, though. Things are actual life-sized. You can tell these things are life-sized just by the look of these things. That's just really mind-blowing. That is so mind-blowing. It's just so crazy that I didn't even know what to say. Thank you all for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.